It's not about us, it's about you. From the journey at the beginning when we start the planning and talking about the project all the way to the end, it's important that it's encompassing everything that you told us from the beginning and bringing that to life. With our clients or designers, you can obviously spend whatever you want and have really high-end finishes, but we would say that we're a little bit better than what's called a builder grade. Things like baseboards and casing, open riser stairs, things like that are what we love to put in our homes to open up the space. When I talk about builder's grade, generally with a builder's grade, you wouldn't have maybe an opportunity to select granite or a quartz that's a little bit higher end. With our partners and suppliers, they are so good at putting a budget together that allows you to have a lot of selection for what you want to choose. And so when we do a space, we want to make sure that you have the option of not being in a mold and saying that this is all you can do. We want to have, here's your budget, but this is all the stuff you can have within that budget. So that's what we do. For our cabinets, we always want to try to go to the ceiling to create that height. The millwork, is always soft close. That's a standard. Strong construction. We consider things like pots. If you're going to have a lot of pots, is the construction of your drawer going to be good over the years, or is it going to sag and start breaking down after 3 or 4 years? So all our millwork is of custom construction and incorporates everything you tell us about what you're going to be putting in there. Lighting is very important to us as well, so we always want to have some really unique pieces in the house because we see lighting as art, and so we work with our designers to ensure that those pieces are incorporated so people can really see our quality and understand what they're getting value-wise back when they build with us, and the quality is going to last you for years.